Outer space is vast beyond our comprehension and full of things we don't completely understand yet. From black holes to wormholes, dark matter, and even vampire stars. It is so vast that there are some pretty scary things we are still discovering to this day. You might not know it, but there are a number of outside influences from space that could change life as we know it at any moment. Here are 10 creepy and terrifying facts about space. Number 1. A supermassive black hole is currently hurtling through space at 5 million miles per hour. The Hubble Space Telescope located a black hole in 2017 that is being pushed around by gravitational waves. Normally it should be found at the center of its galaxy. The black hole will eventually break free of its own galaxy and begin to roam the universe, devouring everything in its path. Fortunately for us, it is currently 8 billion light-years away from Earth. Number 2. Chunks of the Milky Way galaxy are being sucked away. Something unidentified, larger than anything in the known universe, is sucking away portions of the Milky Way galaxy, aka your home. In 2009, researchers found a cluster of galaxies moving at an extraordinary speed towards a small patch of sky between the constellations of Centaurus and VELA. Scientists have dubbed this phenomenon as dark flow, in reference to other cosmic mysteries like dark matter and dark energy. Number 3. The Moon is getting further away. The Moon is spinning away from Earth at the rate of 1.46 inches per year. Without the Moon's gravitational pull, Earth could slow down enough to become unstable. Just like keeping a plate spinning on a stick, it has to be spinning fast enough, otherwise, it will become unstable and wobble. Similarly, if our Earth's rotation slows down, our entire planet will begin to wobble, and this would have a devastating effect on our seasons. Luckily, at this rate, it would take billions of years for the Moon to leave Earth's gravitational field. Number 4. You won't explode without a spacesuit, but your body will inflate up to twice its size. If you end up in space without a suit, don't hold your breath. If there's air left in your lungs, they will rupture. Oxygen in the rest of your body will also expand, causing your body to inflate. You won't explode though because your skin is elastic enough to hold you together. Any exposed liquid on your body will begin to vaporize. So the surfaces of your tongue and eyes will boil. Luckily, you will pass out after about 15 seconds due to no oxygen reaching your brain. After about 90 seconds you will die from asphyxiation. Eventually, your body will freeze solid since it is very cold in space. Number 5. In July 2012, a monstrosity solar flare narrowly missed us. A scientific study described how the coronal mass ejection, or CME, tore through our orbit. If the eruption would have happened a week earlier, Earth would have been straight in the firing line. The CME would have sent solar particles hurtling towards us, and energy levels that our electronics could not handle. This would have cut off the electricity to the entire Earth, causing a whole world blackout and plunging us into darkness. Even flushing the toilet would be a challenge since most urban areas use electric water pumps. Number 6. Meteors or asteroids can strike at any time without warning. Remember how the dinosaurs were wiped off the face of the Earth with a meteor shower? It is very possible that could happen again at any moment. Luckily, science has the technology to give the world a bit of notice when it comes to detecting the trajectory of a planet-wiping asteroid in our atmosphere. Though this hasn't stopped smaller meteors from inflicting damage over the years. In 2013, a meteor broke into pieces over Russia and showered mini meteors onto the ground below, injuring hundreds of people. Number 7. A city-killing asteroid zipped by Earth in 2019. In July of 2019, an asteroid called OK, traveling at 15 miles per second, came unusually close to impacting Earth. The asteroid passed by about 43,500 miles away, which is closer to Earth than the Moon. It was one of the closest known approaches of an asteroid to Earth, since we started tracking movements of objects in space. It was estimated to be between 187 and 427 feet in diameter. That would have done some serious damage, and we are lucky it didn't enter Earth's atmosphere. Number 8. Some stars can literally suck the life out of others. A group of stars that astronomers have named vampire stars go about sucking the life of their neighbors in order to burn longer. The smaller vampire star will target a larger star and suck its hydrogen gas away, making it larger. Eventually, the vampire star will suck too much hydrogen out of the victim that the victim will become a white dwarf star. The victim can then become the vampire star and suck back its hydrogen. Ironically, this process could also cause a supernova explosion, destroying both stars in the process. Number 9. In 3.75 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide. Now, this won't necessarily cause planets or stars to bump into each other, but rather they will merge and be flung into new orbits around the new galactic center. Andromeda and Milky Way galaxy are approaching each other at 70 miles per second. Eventually, the two will collide to form a giant elliptical galaxy. Astronomers believe our Sun will be flung into a new region of our galaxy when this happens. Though we most likely won't be around to witness this due to the next fact. Number 10. The Sun will eventually consume the Earth. The Sun is getting hotter over time, also called luminosity. Astronomers estimate that the Sun's luminosity will increase by about 6% every billion years. This increase might seem slight, but it will render Earth inhospitable in about 1.1 billion years. It will get so hot that the Earth's atmosphere will be burned away, our oceans will boil and evaporate completely. Then when the Sun's hydrogen is gone, it will expand into a red giant and consume the entire Earth, destroying it and everything on it. Luckily, these things will not happen in our lifetime. There's 10 scary facts about the universe and outer space. Hopefully they haven't scared you too much. We still have plenty of time here to enjoy life on Earth. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Here are some other videos to continue learning more facts about everything.